Colour is never boring. It's just a travesty that people don't embrace colour more. It's just such an easy thing to do. It's finding the confidence and knowing how to do it. The thing is with colour, because it's so intensely personal, there's no right or wrong. It's really about associating a colour with an emotion and saying that colour makes me feel happy. Why wouldn't you put that in your house if it's going to make you feel happy? So it's really one of those things that there's no excuse not to embrace it. And there's no need to be scared of it, because the worst thing that can happen is you just pull it out again. For a bedroom, I might often think about creating a really beautiful, chilled out vibe. And so I'm going to select a palette that actually makes me feel that way. So I think colour can do that. It can really set the tone and set the mood for the kind of space you want to live in. Can't help but break out into a smile, and I think that's what colour does. It really makes you feel something, and nobody can tell you it's right or it's wrong. That's the beauty of it. It's actually intensely personal. So the subjectivity of colour is to everyone's favour. There's no excuse not to use it.